friends. I changed my scenery a little bit and I'm outside to read you this story. It's important to get outside, get some fresh air every day. Hopefully you're all doing that. But this story is Hello Bird. We're learning about birds and eggs this month, so figured this would be appropriate. And it's a little bit of an interactive story, okay, which means you get to do some things during it. Okay. Hello, bird. Why are you so still? Tickle the robin's breast, then turn the page and look in the nest. Little blue eggs. Are they new? How many? 1, 2. 2 blue eggs. Hello, bird. How many are inside? Knock on the coop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn the page to see some more. More chickens come out to feed. Try to peck the yellow seed. See all the yellow? Hello, bird. Where did you go? Pat, pat, pat your hand, the smallest footprints in the sand. You make little footprints on there. Have to touch the screen lightly though. Hello, sandpiper. Now I see you are in the grass, hiding from me. Hello, bird. What makes you scared? Stomp, stomp, stomp on the ground. Shake the book with a thundering sound. Oh, a storm! But you're not to say. Try to count the peacock eyes. Or you're not shy, sorry. Count the peacock eyes. Ooh. Hello, bird. Where do you fly? Turn the pages back to 1, then forward to the shining sun. That's kind of hard to do. Forward, backward, up and down, the hummingbird zips round and round. Hello, bird. Who are you? Knock on the tree, not too loud, quietly. Snowy owl, you're camouflaged from sight. Hide this book behind something white. Hello, birds, who likes the cold? Tap the bluebird with your elbow and the redbird with your toe. Then turn the pages to see who's standing in the snow. A cardinal loves the cold, I'm told. Can you count snowflakes up to 10, then start the book and read again? We won't read it again, but here's all the different birds. So lots of different birds. The end. We'll see you soon, friends. Bye.